Good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. Today is install day for the Royal Rally Decals. We're going to be installing the Royal Rally Decals on some pretty insane cars. I can't wait. It's going to be an epic day. There's lots of supercars, lots of work, but let's get over to the House of Cars on Barlow Trail and get started. There are apparently already 3 cars in the line ready to go. So the quicker we get over there, the faster we get started. So come with me. Let's go check out some very, very cool cars. Let's go. We've made it to the House of Cars now. We're gonna install some decals, get all the kits installed. There's a couple cars already lined up. I'll show you guys those in a little bit. First car, all complete. Porsche. What do you guys think? Here's the diversity of the Royal Rally. So you got classic muscle Mustang, and you got Super Trofeo Lamborghini. What would you take? Let me know in the comments below. Old school, new school. I'd go for the Lambo personally. I like both a lot, but Lamborghini, one day we'll have one. Here's the first time I've ever put any decals on a supercar, and it was a Lamborghini. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I'm really digging that car. It's freaking sweet. And there goes the muscle car. All done, finished. What do you guys think of this livery? First person that comments below that can guess where this came from, I will send out some custom stickers. So let me know in the comments below. We just did the Lamborghini Huracan, my dream car. First step, touching it, and all the vinyl's on, and I'll show you guys how it turned out. The black on this color is just so vibrant. It's my favorite so far. What do you guys think? $720 is done, black with white graphics, looks incredible. And he put the doors up, so he's flexing. Let me show you here. So, what do you guys take? 720 Huracan. Let me know in the comments below. Last car for the day.
So we went from worst to first.
John Bell. I'm going to show you his car now because on the rally, we're probably not going to see him. He's already mentioned that he's going to be in the front, at the front, and we're probably not going to see him. So I'll show you his car now because this will probably be the only time you guys get to see it.
You guys are getting yeah.
What do you think? GT3. So GT3, let me know in the comments below if you guys would take Porsche, McLaren, or Lamborghini. You guys know what my choice would be, but what's yours? Good morning. Welcome to day 2. We're out here at the House of Cars in Airdrie, and we did 28 cars yesterday, and I think we have something like 34 or 38 cars to do today. I'll show you all the cool cars and what comes through. And so let's get the car unloaded, get everything into the House of Cars, and we'll await our first car. Today they said not to come out until noon, but I was anticipating there was probably going to be people that didn't read that email and just come out at 10. It is almost 11 now, so I'll get everything inside, get set up, and we'll wait for the first people to come. Here we go. We're all set up at the House of Cars in Airdrie, and we're just waiting on the cars. It is 11:35. The first set of cars should be showing up soon. We're all set up, laid out, ready to rock and roll. Let's get started. All right, guys. We just finished the install on the Maserati. What do you guys think? I really love the red on the white. Looks absolutely incredible. Good color choice. We just finished a fellow YouTuber car that's coming on the rally tomorrow. I'll link his YouTube channel below. Exotic Car Play Plates. This is his beautiful M5, just one of his cars. So he's a BMW fanatic as well. He's got another BMW that he's currently working on. If you want to see more of that, go check out his channel. And I'll introduce him right now.
Hey guys, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by, and it was great meeting and running into Jeff here. Of course, I understand that you have a very similar car to mine. I've got a 335 that I'm really trying to go a little bit haywire with. Similar to Jeff, I know we'll be collaborating here probably as time goes on. It was kind of great to run into him here at the Royal Rally, so it's been a lot of fun. I expect to have some fun here at the rally, Jeff.
Yeah, it's going to be a blast.
Right on.
Safe travels. Keep watching. We'll hang out with this guy. Aston Martin to get the Royal Rally graphics on. We've done Lamborghinis, Porsches, McLarens, but this is the first Aston to come through. What do you guys think? So let me know in the comments below. Would you take an Aston, a Lambo, a McLaren, or a Porsche? Or a Ferrari? We haven't done one of those yet. Let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think of this Lambo? If you go to this Instagram page, you'll see this thing went viral for doing snow donuts up in Edmonton. If you search Lamborghini donuts Canadian winter, you'll see this Lamborghini. The guy drives it like it's supposed to be driven, all-wheel drive, special winter tires. He bought it to enjoy it. What do you guys think of it? What do you guys think of this Corvette ZR1? Absolutely, probably one of the nicest colors I've seen on a Corvette. And I was just saying, it's probably the only car in the rally that's brighter than the orange numbers we're putting on all the cars. I hope to see more of this on the rally, but we'll see how fast he drives. First BMW i8 that has come to get the Rally Decals on. There's actually only 2 on the entire event. Such a cool looking car. So, you guys want to know what it's like getting the vinyl graphics put onto the cars for the rallies? Look at, it's full on teamwork. There's people leading. Go team! And there's people installing. Such a process. But teamwork makes the dream work. Just finished Lamborghini and a Corvette. It's like 1,000 horsepower Corvette. This beautiful Lamborghini. Cold startup, well, half cold startup on the Corvette. This thing sounds absolutely gnarly. That is so freaking badass. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it's so loud. So check this thing out. Supercharged and twin turbos. Over 1,000 horsepower. This thing is absolutely insane. He's gonna pop the hood. Check this out.
Wait, find the hood latch.
And even on the
Come on, say hello, buddy.
What do you guys think? most badass car on the rally? I think so. I think he's got it nailed. Last car of the day. It's been a long day. Just 9:15. You can see some familiar faces from the brigade. They all came out and assembled to help out. Super grateful to all those peeps. And there's the Royal Rally installs. What car was your favorite? I got several, but let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.